Hi. So in this video, I'm going to show you the PhD scholarship to the candidates without having the UGC net or the GATE or the CSIR net, and irrespective of the caste category, the candidates who wants to get the scholarship for your PhD program. So you may get, guys. So one of the scheme is available right now. So really it is a very good news to the PhD candidates who wants to do the PhD program with scholarship, even though without having the UGC net or the GATE or any type of national eligibility test. And in this scholarship scheme, for maintenance allowance including tuition fee, you will get 18,000 rupees per month. And coming to the contingent expenses, you are going to get 15,000 rupees per annum you will get. So this scholarship is irrespective of the caste category and irrespective of your national eligibility test. So only with PG qualification you can get this scholarship, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And for more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here the scholarship is Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. Okay, so from this one here, so we will see this information sheet, guys. Okay, you will get the complete details from this one. So please watch this video until the end of this one to get the complete details regarding this fellowship, guys. So Jawaharlal Nehru scholarships for doctoral studies. Here the categories of scholarships are given here. So the scholarships are available for PhD study in India to the following two categories of students. One is Indian nationals and second one is nationals of other Asian countries. And coming to the areas of specialization as well as a subject, that means if you belongs to these areas or else these subjects, then only you can apply for this scholarship scheme, guys. And if you don't belong to these areas, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these research areas. It will be very much helpful to them. So here the subject areas are in the Indian history and civilization, sociology, comparative studies in religion and culture, economics, geography, philosophy, ecology and environment. So from these 7 subject areas, guys. And coming to the eligibility conditions, here at the time of submission of the application form for the scholarship, a candidate must have first class postgraduate degree with minimum 60% marks aggregate in both the graduate as well as the postgraduate level, and you must be already registered or admitted for the PhD degree with a recognized university or institution in India. And those who have applied for registration and have not yet been registered at the time of submission of application are not eligible to apply. That means definitely you must be already registered or admitted for the PhD program in any one university or the institute. Why? Because you have to submit that one, guys. And coming to the age limit, not be above the 35 years of age, and you must be a full-time PhD scholar. Okay. And coming to the duration of the scholarship is 2 years. And coming to the value of a scholarship for both the categories. Both the categories means Indian nationals as well as the Asian countries. The maintenance allowance including tuition fee, you will get the 18,000 rupees per month. And coming to the contingent expenses for study tours within India, purchasing of the books or stationery, or else for attending the conferences, or else for the publishing the journals, you will get 15,000 rupees per annum. Okay. And coming to the last date is, and each and every year we will get this notification, guys. So an advertisement is released towards the end of the March every year, and a completed application form together with all the necessary enclosures should reach Administrative Secretary, Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund, so Teen Murthy House and New Delhi 11011 on or before 31st May 2000. I mean every year 31st May is the last date, guys. So you have to take the application form and fill up that one and attach the necessary documents, and you have to send the complete thing to this mentioned address on or before 31st May. The application form is there at the end of this PDF, guys. Okay, I will show you. And the selection committee's decision to call a candidate for interview or select a candidate for scholarship will be final. And the shortlisted candidates will be called for the interview anytime during the November or the December. And the scholarship will commence from January every year. Okay. Next, what are the enclosures you have to put? Fine. So first one, a passport size photograph of the applicant to be pasted on the form, a synopsis of the proposed project as per the attached format, and the doctoral monitoring committee's report or supervisor's report recommendation, and the postal order or demand draft of 100 rupees, and the PhD registration certificate. You have to produce all these things, guys. So whatever the thing you did not submit the mention here, then your application will be rejected. And the application form for Jawaharlal Nehru scholarship can be downloaded from the website itself, and the amount of 100 rupees is to be paid by the postal order or else the demand draft in favor of Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund payable at the New Delhi on or before 31st May. And it is application form, guys. Anyhow, I am attaching this link in the description box of this video, so you may go through this one and you may take out the printout of this one. And the candidates who already admitted for the PhD program in the institutions or universities, okay, so please share this video to them. Okay, so you have to take the printout of this one and fill up this complete application form, and whatever the enclosures I told here, okay, so put all these enclosures, okay, as in the order wise, and then send to the mentioned address before 31st May 2021. Okay, so these are the particulars you have to carefully fill up, guys. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding this one. Okay, and here, so it is the official website of this one. Okay, if you want to go, then you may go through the official website also. So I will provide the official website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so how to apply and what are the different enclosures you have to put. Okay, so all these things are mentioned here. Okay, already I mentioned all these points in this PDF, guys. Okay, so you please once go through this one, and whoever the candidates belongs to these departments. Okay, so whatever the departments I shown to you, to these departments, then please share this video to them. It will be very much helpful to them, guys, even though without having the national eligibility test qualifications, irrespective of the caste category, they can avail for the scholarships. Okay, so it will be very much helpful to them. So please share, guys, and to get the more notifications like this, so please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide